In this question we have to show that result of this after integration it is 0. Okay. So now let integration for 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x log tan x dx I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x log tan x dx. Now this becomes 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 with pi by 2 minus x log tan pi by 2 minus x dx. Which property I have used? 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx. I have used this property. Now the question becomes integration for 0 to pi by 2 sin pi minus 2x log cot x and dx. 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x log cot x can be written as 1 upon tan x then dx. Now using the property of log, 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x log 1 minus tan x dx. Now this becomes 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x log 1 dx minus 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x log tan x dx. Now this is 0 minus 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x log tan x dx. Now what this is? This is the question itself. Okay, same question. So now what we are having? Now we are having 0 minus I. Is it clear? Because it is the same thing. Now this becomes therefore now hence this part is 0, so we have proved that this part is equal to 0. Hence 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x log tan x dx is equal to 0. Proved.